Are laptops and tablets going extinct? Or are they going to be around for a while? Recently, all we see are smartphones getting better each day. Well, the next tech device making waves is the book range of laptops, and Samsung is not letting anyone have all the fun. So then comes the second generation Samsung Galaxy Book2 360, which attractively doubles us as a convertible laptop or tablet. Here are some of its unpacked specifications.
Here we go.
Design. The Samsung Galaxy Book2 360 is the convertible tablet or laptop with a slim, portable 2-in-1 laptop that weighs only 1.16 kilograms and light, measuring 12.9 millimeters, and it is not uncomfortable to carry around. It has a minimalist aesthetic look with the Samsung logo on the back, whereas the 360 degrees hinge makes it sturdy enough to easily convert the device whenever without damaging it. Samsung has included a decent number of port selections. There is a USB-C port that can charge devices, there is one Thunderbolt 4 port, as well as one 3.5mm audio headphone jack, USB-A port, an HDMI port, and a microSD slot.
The port selection is good too. There's a microSD slot on the left along with the mic, headphone jack and a USB-A port. On the right there is an HDMI port, a USB-C port and a Thunderbolt 4 USB-C port.
The Book2 360 also features a firm keyboard and a large trackpad with enough space for you to type comfortably for many hours. And plus, you have the ability to adjust the backlight to adapt to changing lighting conditions for when you want to use the device. Wow! Despite being relatively thin and lightweight, the Book2 360 packs a decent battery. Stay with us for more on the battery life. Display. When it comes to display features, the Galaxy Book2 360 is significantly cool. It has a 13.3-inch AMOLED panel with a 1920x1080 resolution and an aspect ratio of 16:9. Tom's Guide stated that per our colorimeter test, the Galaxy Book2 Pro 360 produced 123.6% of the sRGB color gamut. The closer to 100%, the better. The display has an efficient refresh rate of 60 Hz and makes your user experience with the device comfortable thanks to the sleek look coupled with the display that produces images with rich, vibrant, bright colors at a high detail level.
I love that!
Additionally, the display design features a brightness level adjustment option that allows you to easily adjust the brightness level to suit your preference. And this is helpful, for instance, when you are watching a movie, typing up an assignment, or gaming. While you may need this device for your laptop, subscribing to this channel means you get all the amazing tech content uploaded to help you with your tech devices, reviews, and updates. Price. The Galaxy Book2 360 is a premium flagship laptop with several excellent feature options at a relatively less expensive price than other laptops or other Samsung laptops. Available for purchase on Samsung's website, the Galaxy Book2 360 is currently available in only two versions. The 12th generation i5 processor model comes with a starting price of $899.99/£849 and has a top speed of 4.4 GHz with 8 GB memory and 256 GB storage, while the i7 processor model has 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, selling at $1,099.99/£1,149. Stay with, and let's get into more details about the processors and their performance ability shortly. Performance. For internal storage, you have the option of 256 GB or 512 GB of storage, where there is a microSD port connection available in case you run out of space and need additional storage space. In addition to that, there is Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1 also available for wireless connectivity. In terms of software, the Galaxy Book2 360 comes pre-installed with Windows 11, which gives you a great software experience with this laptop, and there are numerous customization and personalization options available, including screen setting options, Bluetooth pairing, gallery, notes, and updates. The Galaxy Book2 360 runs on the 12th generation Intel CPU with the Core i5-1235U processor entry-level model that comes with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, and the Core i7-1165G7 processor upgrade model with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage to choose from. Both processors' performance is significantly impressive, making typical daily tasks with the laptop easy and can handle getting you multiple tasks.
Oh, nice.
Tasks such as browsing the web, typing documents, sending emails, and making video calls, or even playing video games. Battery. The Core i5 model Galaxy Book2 360 has a 61.1 Wh cell, while the Core i7 model has a slightly higher 63 Wh cell capacity battery. The battery life is generally excellent, and with a battery life of 11 hours, it has the capacity to get you through an entire day of multiple tasks on a single charge. However, with multiple tasks such as playing high-definition games, the battery will deplete faster than usual. The Samsung Galaxy Book2 360's appealing display, paired with its convertible, lightweight nature, truly gives you a two-in-one feel, ideal for all your laptop and tablet needs. And while we are still on Samsung devices, check out this full-on comparison between the Samsung S95B TV and the LG C2 TV. Thanks for watching.